What's going on, guys? So in the last Terry video we did this. So obviously we had a ton of fun mudding in Terry, and there was a lot of y'all wanting to see a detail video. So for the last 2 weeks, Terry has actually been up underneath the shed over there, hiding out from the weather because I didn't want it to rain on it and halfway wash it off. If I'm gonna do a detail video, I want it to be the full experience, just like it was out of the mud hole, obviously completely covered in mud, and now has been sitting on the truck for 2 weeks. So it's gonna be fun. The outside, I'm not too concerned about being a big problem, but all this up underneath, this is going to be a nightmare. So we're pushing a ton of mud, slinging mud, obviously a bunch of grass. Gonna have to grab all this crap and pull it out. I mean, literally everything is just covered all the way around. Let's see. Oh yeah, even in the door jambs. We went pretty deep. The wheels, obviously someone has peed on this thing. That's gross. Underneath, just absolutely covered. So yeah, hopefully this is gonna be one of those videos that's satisfying to watch, seeing it go from completely covered in mud to hopefully nice and clean. Do our best. Obviously a ton of pressure washing is about to happen. Then we're gonna foam cannon it, hand wash it, and I purchased a like a for beginners cut and polish kit, because this truck has got a ton of like scratches and stuff from being in the woods, and I figured that'd be a good thing to you know, try out learning how to cut and polish some paint on Terry. Let's get old Terry back clean. All right, we got stage 1 of exterior pressure washing done. Now I've got the back 2 wheels and tires off, and it's time to tackle the rear undercarriage. Holy crap. many minutes later, got the undercarriage on the rear pretty much cleaned up. Got the bumper sprayed out real well. Tried to clean the spare tire up as much as I possibly could. Got all that crap off of the axle and the e-brake. Cleaned up pretty daggum good. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the wheels while I got them off, and then I'll slap them back on there, and then we got the fun part, the front end. All right, we got the front jacked up, all sketchy like, kind of on a little hill. Let's hope it doesn't fall. We got a lot to do right here. Good gracious, probably gonna pop the hood and go at it that way as well. Trail Boss, you better be glad they didn't get 10,000 likes, because if they had of, this would have been you. Oh yeah. So basically we just gotta get this front end knocked out, go down the sides, we'll pop the engine bay. It might be completely covered in mud as well. And then we could actually tackle the proper wash on the exterior. Ever so slightly better. This side's actually probably worse. Oh man. Oh, nice. Yeah, let's get that all cleaned up. Well, my iPhone quit recording for some reason, but she's cleaned up pretty daggone good. So much better, so much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean these wheels up, get them slapped on there, and then we can actually pull the truck down to the basement now that we got all the big mud. Don't want to drop that at the basement. Then get this thing an actual spit shine. Actually washed the hood, the roof, the whole other side, and filmed it all, and then went and looked, and my iPhone had quit recording again, so that's always lovely. But it is cleaning up really good. Even this little black fender trim that was like stained looking, once you actually put some friction on it, it comes right off. So obviously when it's wet, it looks absolutely perfect, but it is cleaning up real nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and scrub a couple more things, get the wheels, dry this thing off, probably hit it with some detail mist, try to bring back some condition to it. And I'll catch up with y'all after to see just how clean we actually got it. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I am absolutely tired of cleaning on this thing. It's definitely not perfect, but it is worlds better than it was. So much better. I didn't have any microfiber towels. I didn't have any tire shine. So, yeah, definitely didn't get the full effect. But going from what it was in the beginning of this video to what it is now, I mean, you see the frame. It is a million times better. Like I said, I've got a DIY cut and polish kit coming. And I'm definitely going to test it out because, you know, as you can see, there's tons of scratches and stuff in the paint, and I think we can buff all that crap out. And I want to see what it does with the paint that is the clear coat's failed. I'm wondering if it'll shine it up some. But yeah, that's it. Terry is back, clean as I can get it for the day. Hubert, what do you think? Dad, I'm ready to go potty for real. See his eyeball? Potty? You can go potty. All right, guys, hopefully you did enjoy. Comment down below, let me know. We'll see you in the next one.